Today's video is about second chances. We have this above ground pool that is quite the eyesore. We got 2 years of use out of it, and unfortunately, it's not going to make it a third. That leaves us without a way to cool off in this Texas heat, so we'll have to figure that out, but it also leaves us with an already level space in a great location for something awesome. In true homesteading on a budget fashion, we're going to reuse old materials, scavenge new ones from our property, and head to town to pick up some new stuff that we can't get elsewhere. We picked up some flagstone, so it's time to get that unloaded. This pallet weighs in at 2,000 pounds. We were curious how our little tractor would lift this. Past experience told us we needed more counterweight, so I threw some weights on the brush hog plus myself for a total of about 900 pounds back there. I didn't realize the front tire was as low on air as it is, so you can see it squish more than it should have. With a clean slate to work on, we started laying out stones. I'm very much aware the sand isn't the proper foundation for a flagstone patio, but this project, like all of them around here, is on a budget, so we're in the use it up, wear it out, make it do, or do without mode. The stones actually ended up feeling more stable than I thought they would. I studied up on cutting and shaping them, and it worked out better than it has in the past. We want to string up some lights, so we need some posts. For that, we headed down to the woods to harvest some cedars. There's plenty of them down there, and we've been working on thinning them out a little anyway, so this will help. I do have a much manlier chainsaw, but it decided to spew gas all over, and since I just wanted to get this done, I grabbed the little 18-volt Ryobi and it did the job. I really like the look of cedars that are all cleaned up and stripped of bark. I've never done it before, so we tried a few methods. The process I ended up liking the most was to grind the branches or knots down with this wood grinder wheel from Harbor Freight. Then use the power sprayer to remove the rest of the bark, and finally come back with the 7-inch sander to clean things up. The bark stripped easier once the knots were out of the way, making the power spraying process quicker, and the final sanding left things look pretty nice and clean. Probably my favorite part of this project is this Adirondack chair. We picked up a set of templates from Woodcraft and went to work giving these old pool steps new life. We had 3 generations of hobby carpenters working on this project, with Grandpa and Grandson doing the cutting out work and me doing the assembly. I've always wanted to build a set of these chairs, and it turned out to be as fun as I had imagined. I may just retire early and build Adirondack furniture. We'll make more of these soon and have a full set out here on the patio. We have a custom fire pit on order. Our son is a welder, so he's got something fun in the works, but for now, we'll use this barrel so we can enjoy the space immediately. The lights are solar and they work great. The remote works perfectly from inside the house. It's been fun to have them on at night even if we're not outside. We've already enjoyed spending time out here, and once we have more seating, I can picture the whole family sitting around the fire enjoying each other's company. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.